Today in the Smuggler's Room, we're room building again. And we're room building with illumination. That's coming up. What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian and welcome to the Smuggler's Room. This week, this chubby geek is quitting. I'm stopping. No more whining, no more complaining that room building is just too hard. I'm serious, my friends. No more overthinking every little part and piece. This room build is taking too long. It goes months without anything happening, and at this point, I'm gonna go 7 more years before it's done. And I'm on the back 40, so that's just not gonna work for me. Okay, so let's get a set of color-changing puck lights and a Pro Series channel drain kit, and we'll build a light. Wait, didn't I tell you we were gonna use the drain kit that you'd put in the front of your garage door to create a light fixture? Yeah, that's what we're doing. Come on, I'll show you. Yeah, don't throw that away. We'll save it for the next episode. Basically here, there isn't much to it. I just installed the puck lights at the bottom of the drain, notched a hole, and connected them all up. It was about as simple as install as you could hope for. Just some leftover laser cut pieces I had laying around. But you could use just about anything to detail up your light, which also covers up all those pesky plastic factory markings. You feeling that intensity yet? I know, serious stuff right here. Whoa, wait, where did you get those? Oh, eBay. Search hard drive motor lots. Happy hunting. And the weathering, my friends, don't forget the weathering. And why do we weather? 'Cause space is filthy. Now we're just installing the light in here temporarily, just suspending it from the drop ceiling grid so that I can see how it looks. I wanted to see it in the space so it'll help me with some of the design decisions. I like it. I'll tell you right now, it's not the cheapest piece I've found from Home Depot. Now I know that this might have seemed a little bit like a simpler project this week, but I'll tell you, finding a light fixture or building a light fixture from scratch that worked in this environment was a big challenge. And though it cost a little bit more money to buy something like the drain, this is gonna help me duplicate it for the 3 or 4 different times in this space that I'm gonna have to do it. You see, I want some consistency in the fixtures around the space. So it was spend a little bit more money or spend a little bit more time, and this seemed to work pretty well for me. Now, next week, we're gonna go ahead and finish off all the section and detail work all the way around and tie the lighting in permanently and finish off the look. So if you haven't subscribed, do that now. And if you dug this Star Wars Home Depot DIY light fixture, then yeah, give us a thumbs up because believe it or not, it really does matter and it helps the channel grow. So until next time, keep building something out of nothing. Well, I guess now we just see if this thing works.